Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2024 Chevrolet Blazer RS model. Vehicle's loaded up, all the toys. It's got about 5,500 miles on it. Really in beautiful condition. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around. Black exterior, black interior, black on black, black wheels. Looks amazing. Really nice condition. 5,500 miles. Navigation, backup camera, loaded up. Okay, let's go ahead and take a close look here. Front bumper's in beautiful condition, really outstanding shape. Look at that. Very nice. Outstanding shape there. Take a look at the headlamps. Beautiful condition. Lower lights also. Beautiful shape. Really nice. Look at that. Beautiful condition. All right, let's take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful shape. Super clean throughout. Very nice condition. Really amazing shape. Take a look at the front fender on the driver's side. Outstanding condition. Beautiful shape. Very nice. Driver door, amazing condition. Beautiful shape. Take a look at the mirror. Very nice. Really outstanding shape. Rear door on the driver's side, beautiful shape. Super clean. Looks amazing. Quarter panel on the driver's side, also in beautiful shape. Super clean, very nice condition. Take a look at the rear hatch. Hatch looks good. Beautiful shape. Rear bumper with parking sensors on it. Super clean, very nice. Has a little dimple right here on the bumper. Nothing major. Looks good. Quarter panel on the passenger side. Beautiful shape. Clean throughout. Very nice. Rear door on passenger side. Beautiful shape. Clean throughout. Front door on the passenger side. Beautiful condition. Very nice. Front fender on the passenger side, beautiful condition, very nice, clean throughout. Windshield looks good, really amazing shape. Let's take a look at the roof real quick. It's got the rails up there, very nice. Really outstanding shape. Windshield on this side also looks good. Super clean. Very nice condition. Okay, that concludes our walk around. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a test drive. We're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Bowl system. Power hatch. It's got a couple pockets there for storage. Very nice. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Take a look at the stitching. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Beautiful condition on the door panel. Let's take a look at the driver's seat. Driver's seat's like brand new. Look at that. Very nice condition. It's got some red stitching. Looks super sharp. Perforated in the center. Looks amazing. Really nice look. Take a look at the dashboard. Steering wheel looks amazing. Super clean throughout. Very nice condition. Looks like they had something installed here on this piece. Has a couple little holes here. No big deal. We'll try to cover that up for you. But besides that, it looks amazing. Oh hey, we're looking at the passenger side front door panel. Look at that, amazing condition. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Looks super clean, very nice. Couple pockets for storage, amazing. Take a look at the passenger seat in the front. Beautiful shape. Looks brand new, full power. Stitching, perforated, very nice condition. Rugs are clean, dashboard looks amazing. Really in outstanding shape. Beautiful condition. Okay, take a look at the rear driver's side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Look at the armrest, very nice shape. Nice pocket there on the bottom for storage. Rear seats look amazing. Super clean throughout. Very nice. Also same thing as the one in the front. Perforated with the red stripes. Looks super sharp. Rugs are clean, looks amazing. Here in the center we have a couple USBs and a power plug here for 120. Look at that, very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Beautiful shape throughout, very nice condition. Look at the armrest, beautiful condition. Take a look below here. It's got a little bit of storage there. Rear seats, beautiful shape from this side also. Really amazing condition, very nice. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2024 Blazer RS model. Take a look at the remote. Lock, unlock, remote start, power hatch, and panic. Brand new remote, very nice. I'm gonna set it down here. All you gotta do is press the brake, press the button up here to start it. Let's go. Starts up perfect, look at that. Very nice. AC's nice and cold. Amazing. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the gauges here. Miles per hour, RPMs, temperature, voltage, fuel, and another temperature gauge here. Really nice. Okay, it's got an information center here. You can scroll through this here. Right now it's on miles per hour. Go to computer. Super nice, look at that. Fuel economy, all that stuff. Tire pressure sensors. Really nice. You can click on the side here. You can put your audio if you want. You can see whatever's on the radio. Press it again. You can put your navigation, whatever your navigation is. Your phone, in case you're talking on the phone. That's the phone one there. There's no phone connector right now, so you're not able to see anything. And then these are the options. So we'll just go back again. And we're just going to go ahead and leave it on the first in the information here. Just going to put miles per hour on this one. That'll be good. There you go. All right, so that's pretty much the cluster there. Really nice. So the turning signals. Really nice. Highlights. There you go. Fantastic. For the wipers and rear wiper. Take a look at the controls here. This is for cruise control, heated steering wheel. It's got a collision alert in the front. So you can set up the settings here with that button, which is super nice. And then it also has a lane alert, so we'll turn that on now. When you turn it on, the little lights on here, and I believe, yeah, that's the only place it shows you it's there. So, and on the mirrors, they have a little tiny car there. It shows you when somebody's in the lane, which is super nice. Okay, automatic lights, park and brake release, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Very nice. Steering wheel's in beautiful condition. Take a look. Brand new. This car only has 5,500 miles. Really nice RS model. See, you got the red stitching here. It looks super sharp. Okay, now we're taking a look at the center console here. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Really nice. This one says RS there. Super nice. Has a couple settings for the transmission. I believe that's for sport, touring, and snow. The lane assist, parking assist. This is really cool. When you set your phone down here, it wirelessly charges, which is nice. Controls for the AC, look at that. Got heated seat on this one, super nice. And then when you turn this dial, it adjusts the temperature here, and it also adjusts it up here, which is super nice. Okay. And then you have your fan controls, you have your defrost here, AC controls, really nice. Up above here, on and off, you can, this vehicle has something called the auto start and stop. So if you're parked for a long time, we'll turn the engine off, save fuel, but it'll still be cold inside, AC still working and everything. But yeah, so it has that there. You can go ahead and bypass that if you like. That's the start button. This is the nav screen here. So let's go back to home here. So really nice screen, super big. Okay, so audio controls, there you go. Really nice. Go back again here. Audio controls. Go to more. So AM, FM, XM radio, and Bluetooth. For your phone, you can pair your phone here. Super nice. Navigation, we were just on that a minute ago. Go back again. Wi-Fi hotspot, you can set that up if you want. Users, you can set up different users. Create a profile, that way everybody has their favorite radio stations and stuff in there. Settings, that's for the system. These are for the apps. This has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Super nice. Vehicle, let's go to collision and detection here. So this one has the forward collision system. It brakes and it alerts also. Front pedestrian detection, lane change alert, rear camera symbols, and rear cross traffic alerts. So that's super cool. Okay, so let's go back home again. That's pretty much it there. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto is already installed. You have your OnStar, your climate, your Sirius XM radio, My Chevrolet if you want to do service or whatever and set it up through there. And then you can download more apps right there. Okay, that's pretty much it there. Got two USBs here in the center. These are the fan controls, defrost controls, wireless charger for your phone. Super nice. Look at this little space right here. Take a look down there. You've got your USBs there also, and another power plug. Look at that. Amazing. Let's take a look at the dashboard really quick. Looks brand new. Really nice condition. Beautiful shape. Up above here, you got a sunglass holder right there. Courtesy lights, two of them there. You can program your garage door opener with these here. You got three of them there. OnStar button. Really nice. Let's take a quick look at the roof on this one. It's in beautiful condition. Liner's in great shape. It's brand new. Okay, that's pretty much it. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. Take it for a test drive. Okay, we're all set. Take this one for a little test drive here. We already have it in gear. We're all set. Let's go ahead and test it out. Really nice acceleration, super quick. Look at that. It even shows you the speed limit. Right there, it's got a little sign there. It tells you what the speed limit is here. The drive's super nice, so smooth. It feels amazing. Okay, now we got a light here. Check the brakes real quick. It stops really nice. Perfect. Okay, as soon as the light changes, we'll be on our way. Okay, we're all set. Here we go. It's super quick. It feels really nice. So we're going to pull up here. We're going to go ahead and park and show you the backup camera. Select the parking space, and then we're going to park. There you go. Put in reverse. Look at that. I'm going to pick a spot back there and back right up. So it's got some sensors in the back. It's blinking here, but it also shows you what sensors are getting close to here. So it's a really nice feature. Okay, that's pretty much our test drive here. Pretty much done with this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the engine compartment, take a look at the cargo area in the back, and take a look at those tires. We'll be right back. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open up the hatch here. press the button. You can do it with the remote also. Very nice, super clean. Let's take a look. Really amazing condition. Very nice. These things here, you actually pull them, and those seats drop down there to give you more storage. Below here, spare tire, jack, all the tools. Very nice condition. Let's close the hatch from here. Perfect. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful shape. Very nice. Look at this. Beautiful condition throughout. Really amazing shape. Very nice. Look at this. Really beautiful condition. Up above here, emission sticker. Really nice. Okay, we'll take a look at the front. Driver's side tire. Tire looks brand new. Really outstanding shape. Michelin. Take a look at the rim. Rim looks good. Great condition there. Very nice. Looks brand new. Amazing shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear driver's side tire. Tire looks good. Looks brand new. Very nice condition. Rim is clean and in good shape. Let's take a closer look here. Very nice condition. Just notice right now it has some marks here on the bottom. Looks like some little bit of damage here on the rim itself. Besides that, looks very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire looks brand new. Good amount of tread on there. Looks very nice. Also Michelin. 20-inch tires all the way around. Rims are in beautiful shape. Take a look. It's got a little mark right there. Nothing major. Besides that, looks amazing. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire looks brand new. Also Michelin. Rim is clean and in great shape. Does have some imperfections here, here, and here, and here. Some small scratches. Besides that, looks good. Very nice condition. Well, that's going to conclude our video for this 2024 Chevrolet Blazer RS model with only 5,500 miles. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. Great used autosales.com. Thanks for watching.